Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the 6 best Samsung tablets that are redefining mobile productivity and entertainment in 2026. From budget-friendly everyday devices to premium powerhouses with stunning displays and S Pen integration, these tablets combine versatility with Samsung's signature quality and innovation. Whether you're a student taking notes in class, a creative professional sketching on the go, a casual user browsing and streaming, or a power user demanding desktop-level performance, these tablets deliver exceptional experiences across every price point. Let's jump right in. Number 6. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE brings flagship features to a more accessible price point, making premium tablet experiences available to a wider audience. This Fan Edition model features a vibrant 10.5-inch display with smooth 90 Hz refresh rate that makes scrolling, gaming, and navigation feel incredibly fluid and responsive. The included S Pen transforms the tablet into a versatile creative tool for note-taking, sketching, and annotating documents with remarkable precision and low latency. Powered by a capable mid-range processor, the Tab S10 FE handles multitasking, productivity apps, and multimedia consumption with ease. Samsung DeX Mode transforms the tablet into a desktop-like experience when connected to a monitor or keyboard, perfect for students and professionals who need laptop-level productivity on the go. The metal unibody design feels premium despite the lower price tag, and the quad speakers with Dolby Atmos deliver immersive audio for movies and music. With expandable storage via microSD, long battery life for all-day use, and One UI's refined tablet interface, the Tab S10 FE offers outstanding value. For users wanting Samsung's ecosystem benefits without the flagship price, this delivers. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE retails for approximately $450 USD. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus represents the sweet spot in Samsung's premium lineup, offering flagship performance and features in a perfectly sized package. This 12.4-inch powerhouse features a stunning AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate that makes everything from productivity work to HDR content look absolutely spectacular with deep blacks and vibrant colors. The latest Snapdragon processor delivers desktop-class performance for demanding apps, heavy multitasking, and even light gaming, while generous RAM ensures smooth operation no matter how many apps you're juggling. The premium S Pen included in the box offers industry-leading stylus performance with imperceptible latency, making digital art, handwritten notes, and precise editing feel natural and responsive. Quad speakers tuned by AKG provide rich, immersive audio that rivals dedicated tablets costing far more. Samsung DeX transforms your tablet into a full productivity workstation, and the improved keyboard cover attachment turns it into a legitimate laptop replacement. With 5G connectivity options, all-day battery life, and an ultra-thin metal design that's surprisingly portable for its screen size, the Tab S10 Plus handles everything from content creation to entertainment with ease. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus retails for approximately $1,000 USD. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2024. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2024 edition proves that you don't need to spend flagship money to get a genuinely capable tablet with premium features. This refreshed classic features a crisp 10.4-inch display that's perfect for reading, browsing, and watching content, with excellent color reproduction and brightness for its price class. The included S Pen adds tremendous value, enabling natural handwriting for students, digital sketching for hobbyist artists, and precise navigation without fingerprints on the screen. Updated internals provide improved performance over the original, handling everyday tasks, light productivity work, and casual gaming smoothly. The slim, lightweight metal design feels far more premium than its price suggests, and it's comfortable to hold for extended reading or video sessions. Samsung's tablet-optimized interface includes useful features like split-screen multitasking and pop-up windows for enhanced productivity. With a headphone jack that's increasingly rare in modern tablets, expandable storage, and Samsung's reputation for long-term software support, the Tab S6 Lite 2024 offers exceptional longevity. For students, casual users, and anyone seeking a reliable tablet with stylus support without breaking the bank, this delivers incredible value. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2024 retails for approximately $350 USD. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab A9. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 represents the perfect entry-level tablet for families, students on tight budgets, and anyone needing a reliable device for everyday tasks. This affordable 8.7-inch tablet features a compact, portable design that's easy to slip into bags and perfect for on-the-go use, whether commuting, traveling, or moving between classes. The display offers decent quality for watching videos, browsing social media, and reading digital content, while the modern 90 Hz refresh rate makes navigation feel surprisingly smooth for the price. Dual speakers provide adequate audio for casual media consumption, and the long battery life ensures you won't be constantly searching for outlets. Samsung's refined One UI interface brings the same polished experience found on premium tablets, including useful features like Samsung Kids Mode for safe, controlled children's use. While it won't handle intensive gaming or heavy multitasking, the Tab A9 excels at core tablet tasks like web browsing, video streaming, e-reading, and light productivity. The affordable price makes it an excellent choice for households wanting multiple tablets, students needing a basic digital learning tool, or anyone seeking a simple, reliable Android tablet without unnecessary features inflating the cost. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 retails for approximately $220 USD. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra stands as the absolute pinnacle of Android tablet technology, delivering uncompromising performance and features for power users and professionals. This massive 14.6-inch AMOLED masterpiece features a breathtaking 120 Hz display that makes productivity work, creative applications, and entertainment look absolutely stunning with exceptional color accuracy and HDR support. The powerhouse processor and generous RAM configuration handle the most demanding workflows, from 4K video editing to complex multitasking scenarios with dozens of apps running simultaneously. The included S Pen offers the most advanced stylus experience available on Android, with AI-powered features, minimal latency, and pressure sensitivity that rivals dedicated drawing tablets. The premium book cover keyboard transforms the Ultra into a true laptop replacement with a full-size keyboard, trackpad, and multiple viewing angles. Samsung DeX reaches its full potential here, providing a desktop experience that can genuinely replace traditional computers for many users. Quad speakers deliver thunderous, immersive audio, and the expansive screen makes side-by-side app usage incredibly practical. With premium build quality, optional 5G connectivity, and cutting-edge features like the under-display camera, the Tab S10 Ultra defines what's possible in mobile computing. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra retails for approximately $1,200 USD. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus claims the top spot as the best overall Samsung tablet, perfectly balancing performance, features, display quality, and value for the widest range of users. This 11-inch tablet offers a significantly larger and more immersive screen than its smaller sibling while maintaining an affordable price that doesn't sacrifice essential features. The vibrant display with smooth 90 Hz refresh rate provides an excellent viewing experience for everything from streaming movies to browsing the web and reading digital content. Upgraded performance compared to the standard A9 ensures smooth multitasking, responsive app performance, and capable handling of casual gaming and productivity tasks. The quad-speaker setup with Dolby Atmos delivers impressive audio quality that enhances movies, music, and video calls, making this a fantastic entertainment device. Samsung's optimized tablet interface brings premium features like multi-window support, Samsung Kids Mode for family use, and seamless integration with other Galaxy devices. The large battery provides all-day endurance for typical use, and the sleek metal design feels premium despite the accessible pricing. With expandable storage, a comfortable size for both productivity and media consumption, and Samsung's reliable software support, the Tab A9 Plus offers the sweet spot between capability and affordability that makes it perfect for students, families, and everyday users seeking maximum value. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus retails for approximately $207 USD.